Okay, come on. Read.
Baka.
What is baka?
Cow.
Mm.
Kuba.
Okay.
Bibi.
What is bibi?
Duck.
Okay. What?
Ku.
No, this one.
Buko.
What is buko?
Coconut tree.
Mm.
Bao.
What is bao?
Coconut shell.
Very good.
Babae.
Who is babae?
Like you.
Okay.
Kubo.
What is kubo?
Like in there in I.
Okay. Next.
Bibi.
What is kabibi?
Seashell.
Very good. Next.
That's for the beach. Baba.
What is baba? Okay. Next one.
Ko.
What is kuko?
Like this. Fingernails.
Very good.